Good afternoon, my name is Linda Carolina Carrillo Liz. I am 12 years old. I am from Colombia and today I am going to present you my evidence from Light Longer. My short presentation about the topic is that the purpose of my talk is about eating habits. 7 pies of advice using should. First one. You should keep a balance among family and your personal needs. You should do exercise in the park or in a gym 1 hour daily. You should eat vegetables, fruits, and other foods in moderation. You should go to the doctor every month, even if you are not sick. With this, you can haven't any risk for suffering from any serious illness. You should do things that develop you mentally for being more intelligent and dedicated. You should not be as sad at difficult times. You must to do things that lift your spirits. You should move away electronic equipment, such as cell phones, computers, and television. 2. 7 obligations users have to. They have to keep strict diet without excess or variations. They have to be inconstant in their projects and the goods for others. They have to be alert to any symptoms to not get sick. They have to leave the cigarette, liquor, or other things to take care of health. They have to do sport to keep the body young. They have to heed the recommendations of the doctors. They don't have self-medicate. Third, 7 obligation using you must ask for help when you need something out your reach, for example, to a doctor. You must put your health in the hands of a professional people. You must have a good relationships with all your family and friends to be more cheerful. You must have a healthy rhythm of life. You must not find in the difficult to remove things that harm your health. You must not follow the recommendation of inexperienced people when you are sick. And you must pray very much. Thanks for listening.